Hi everyone, welcome back to another work week vlog. I'm about to head out right now to go to work. It's Monday. I'm just wearing a shoulder padded gray top, some like flared, kind of loose rust colored pants. I love these, super comfortable. My little black muled sandal heels. Yeah, super comfy outfit, but still really cute. I just want to start another work week vlog this week and take you guys with me throughout my work week and my 9 to 5 routine. I'm running a little bit later than I wanted to. I'll probably still be getting there right around 9, but I'm wanting to start getting there closer to 8:30. So slowly but surely, maybe I'll start getting there a little earlier. But I'm about to head out now, and I'm gonna come back home, and my cousins and sister come over on Mondays so we can watch the show we've been watching, which is Cruel Summer. And then we usually have like dessert or something together. So that's the plan for today. I'm gonna head out to work, and I will pick up the vlog later. So I'm home from work. I just filmed a what's in my work bag video. This is the aftermath. I kind of threw some stuff on the floor. I also always move this stuff out of the way, out of like the background, because I usually have my closet door open. But when I film with this in the background, I don't want all this stuff, so I usually keep my my hamper in front of this mirror, and I can like never get it right because it's like out of place after that. Because then yeah, I want enough room to open this, so I kind of have to readjust. The reality of filming sweatpants and nicer top. So I've actually never worn this shirt. I bought it I think with all my Shein stuff, but no, when did I buy this? No, I bought this a long time ago. I think it's still from Shein, but I got it like on a past order. It's really cute actually, but it's a little bit itchy. I don't know. I feel like I've tried to wear it to work one time, but I just wasn't feeling it, so I wore it for this video. I'm not sure what we're doing for dinner. Like I said, I was filming, so I'm just gonna get into something comfy and then figure that out. I need to email who we have doing like the live music for our ceremony, because I think we figured out what songs we want for that. It's like a string orchestra or like string trio or quartet. So I need to email them and make sure they have all that stuff. And I'm gonna get into like everything else because I feel like I'm honestly really behind. Just doing like florist and DJ is probably next. I think our save the date should be coming in this week. I need to check my email about when that's supposed to come in, because I ordered those last week-ish. Which is so fun because I got to design them myself. Of course, it's like right up my alley. So I'm glad I got to make them exactly how we were wanting them, and I'm excited to see how they turn out. Hopefully nothing went wrong. I didn't order a proof, which I was kind of like, it's kind of scary, just like hoping for the best. But I'm like, I do it every day at work. Like that's what I do for a living. So I was pretty confident I set everything up correctly, but I guess it's up to the printer to make sure that they're how they should be. So the verdict is fish sticks and coconut shrimp. I had these from Trader Joe's and they've been sitting in the freezer, and I forgot, I never even used them. So I also got this island salsa from Trader Joe's, which I also hadn't opened, and I was like, oh, that'll be good to put on those, because like usually coconut shrimp has whatever like sweet chili sauce they put with it, so I thought this was kind of similar. We just tried it and it's really good. I tried it with a chip first, but now I have a fry, and it's like 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. I love like mango salsa stuff though, so if you like that, definitely try it. So everyone just left. We actually finished the series. We were watching it, Cruel Summer, and I kept hearing like the last episode was like really crazy, and pretty much was. We were very caught off guard. So finished that. It was good to be with everybody, and I just cooked a piece of salmon, even though it's like midnight, but I did that to put into my lunch tomorrow. I'm gonna just take like a salmon salad. So I went ahead and cooked that now, so I'd have it for tomorrow. I think my watch needs an update. I'm gonna put it on the thing and like see if it was being really weird earlier and like wouldn't connect to my phone. Like it was like not recognizing my phone or whatever, so I had to like reset the watch and then like try and reconnect it. So that ended up working, but I don't know why I did that. And then now it's saying there's an update, so I'm gonna see if I can get it on my phone and do the update. I guess I can, yeah, I'll probably start now. Software update. I feel like I have something to do tomorrow. I can't remember what it is. I pretty much figured out the songs I was talking about for our wedding, and I have to put the code in on my watch. Oh, I don't think I can do it until it's on 50%. So, whatever. I'll try later. But, yeah, I figured out pretty much all the songs we're gonna use. I didn't email the people, but I'll just do that tomorrow. And then it's full force, like, finding florist, DJ, and everything else. I actually think the save the dates might not be here until a little bit later, because I guess from like the day I ordered them, I like did the production time, which is like about a week. Then I forgot that shipping takes another week, possibly, so it might be like next week. I need to go take a shower and then get in bed. Good morning, happy Tuesday. Just getting everything I need to make my lunch and stuff. I'm gonna take an iced coffee today. I usually brew it hot in the mornings, obviously, but since we make a bunch on Monday nights, we always have some left over, and so it's already cold in the fridge. This honestly might be a little bit too much espresso. This was actually the last of what was from last week's batch, so I just used the rest of it. Since it's like straight espresso, I'm only supposed to use like half the cup probably, and then fill the rest with water. And I probably had about like that much espresso, so just a little bit extra, but sometimes I feel like it's a little bit watered down, so I think it's fine to have this much, as long as I don't like dive all the caffeine. That's how I do the iced coffee, pretty much the same as how I do my regular coffee, but just with coffee that's cold. So I have my salad, which I'm gonna put it in my lunchbox. Just realized I don't know if you can see anything I'm doing on the counter. I feel like the angle's weird. Then I just grab my grapes that I want, or my fruit, grapes and banana, usual. So I forgot I had to get gas, so I'm heading there now. There's just a gas station right before I get on the interstate, so it's like 2 minutes away from the house. My wisdom teeth are hurting me so bad. I think I talked about this in a past vlog, how bad my wisdom teeth were bothering me like a few weeks back. I guess it was a couple months back at this point. And I haven't gone anywhere to get them looked at. Well, I went to the dentist and they were acting like they were fine, so I haven't gone to this like oral surgeon yet. But they gave me a referral, so I'm thinking I need to make an appointment because they're just starting to bother me again. Just like one back here for like the most part. Get my glasses out because I'm about to be in like direct sunlight. Also, I'm just wearing something like really comfy today. Just like this sweater. Oh my gosh, see? Okay, definitely need these now. So I haven't gone yet for my teeth, but I'm just like annoyed that they keep bothering me on and off. I'm tired, but not like that tired, because you know how it's like when you honestly get like a little amount of sleep, you're not as tired, because I honestly only slept like 4 hours last night. It's so bad. I keep staying up watching Vampire Diaries, and that's like terrible. I need to get back on my sleep track because it's not good. I keep wanting to get to work early, and I keep getting there at like 9, so like normal time, but I want to try and get up earlier, go to bed earlier, and I just can't do it because I get home and I like watch Vampire Diaries until like 2 or 3 in the morning. Also, excuse my nails. I took off my dip that I had, and I actually tried to paint them because they were like really long underneath. My real nail had grown, and that only lasted like a day because my nails are so weak. There's no way I could keep them long. They broke off like the next day after I painted them, so now they look like this until I get them done again. Ugh, $61 for gas. That is one thing I miss about my old car, not having to take premium, but it's also pretty good on gas, so it's not the worst thing in the world. Anyways, I was saying that I'm not happy with how Vampire Diaries is transpiring. It's making me really sad. I actually like cry because I'm so upset about everything that keeps happening. It's really taking a toll on me. I gotta stop watching it. No, I can't. I obviously have to finish it, but I'm like, oh, why? It was so good. Like the first 2 seasons, I was like in love with it and obsessed with it. And I feel like the 3rd season, I was kind of like, oh my gosh, this is getting bad, and I was upset. But I was like, okay, it'll turn around, it'll get better. And like 4 did for like a second, but now like the end of 4, I'm like, oh my god, I just finished season 4 last night. So that was my thing too. I only had like 1 more episode. I was gonna go to bed after like the episode before, but I was like, there's only 1 left, so I just stopped and finished it. But I'm also super hardcore Team Stefan, like 100%. There's no question in my mind. So if you've seen it, you know it's what I'm kind of like, ugh. I guess there's still a whole like 4 more seasons, so it might turn around a little bit. But as of last night, I'm like, what am I doing? This is just making me upset. Hi.
Hey.
Where are you going?
Got my drink.
Wow. You've had a long, eventful day of coming
Sleeping
here
on the
and
couch.
yeah, taking a nap. Not exactly what we had in mind, but I think we both needed it. And now we're having our favorite protein pasta with meat sauce. Not the best, but I was in the mood for it. And now I'm more sleepy than ever. So this vlog, today's vlog, is kind of a fail. Happy Wednesday. I'm getting it ready now to leave. I'm also kind of rushing, so excuse that. As you can see, my perfume has run out, so I use like this lotion that has the same scent just until I get some more. But yeah, yesterday was definitely kind of like a fail of a vlog. And I mentioned that. I just got to John's and had like a pretty lazy night, but I'm trying to get a pedicure after work today, but I tried to like book on their website and it was like blocking out any date. Like I couldn't even choose a date to schedule for, and it's not like I was like too late since it was like the day before. There was like no dates, like months out. Do I want to wear hoops or these? I think hoops. Yeah, so I tried calling and they wouldn't answer, and then I tried emailing them. So I guess I'll see if I can, or I might be able to walk in, but I'm in desperate need of pedicure. My outfit's a little bit different today. I don't think I've ever worn this. It's just, well, I mean, I've worn them separately, but not together. It's just like a high neck kind of chocolate brown tank top with like some black pleated, I never know what to call these. They're like dressier pants, but I feel like there's like a name for this shape. I think I'm gonna wear my heeled sandals, of course. These are just like the comfiest shoes ever. I kind of want to get like the tan colored ones. They're from Shein, and they're just so comfy. I have like these with the clear strap from Forever 21, but they're definitely not as comfortable, so it makes me want to get these in tan, but maybe, we'll see. Definitely looks cute together, so I'm about to head out now. So I'm back home. I didn't get a pedicure. I don't know if I explained before, but I tried to make an appointment online. Like they have like an online booking thing, and it wasn't showing any dates for me to pick. So I tried to like email their like booking email and no one replied to me. So I just figured I'd walk over there since it's right outside of work. And I walked over and like the door was locked and there was no one in there. So I'm like, what the heck? Because their hours are until like 8 o'clock or something. But yeah, like even on the website it wasn't showing like any day that I could book. So I just didn't get my nails done. But whatever, I guess. Maybe I'll try and go this weekend somewhere else, I'm assuming. Because I'm not sure why they'd be close like that, and I'm upset because it's like right next to my work. I can just walk outside and it's right there downtown. But yeah, so I'm just putting my stuff away. I do want to gather the motivation to work out. It's like 6 o'clock, so I can work out for like an hour and then just eat something after. I have a bunch of bananas that are like going bad, so I want to make some kind of like banana chocolatey dessert like I usually do. But haven't worked out all week and I can't tomorrow because we're going to a dinner with some friends. I really should tonight. I think I'm gonna change and do that now. So I ended up making cookies with my ripe bananas and they look pretty good. It was just oats, the bananas, chocolate chips, and I put a little bit of honey. It didn't call for that, but I figured it wouldn't hurt. And they look pretty good. They're obviously like kind of misformed, but I didn't feel like putting them in my hands and like balling them up. So I did the best I could with the spoon. And I thought they were gonna stay kind of mushy, but you can see on the bottom it looks like they kind of crisped up. So I'll be able to take like a spatula and get them out. I'm gonna let them cool for a little bit and then try it, but they look and smell really good. So I haven't vlogged all today, but this is all that matters anyways. We just went to dinner with some friends. Obviously I just worked this morning, so nothing really exciting to vlog, but we just got Cold Stone and we realized that we can just split like a big one now because we get like the same thing. Let me see. Well, they have like the marbled cake batter, which is so good because I usually get the regular cake batter, and he usually gets chocolate with Oreos and I get cake batter with cookie dough. But this is the marble cake batter, so you get chocolate and cake batter in both, and then we just mix in both. And we've never gotten a waffle cone, but we decided to do that right now. So we're gonna eat our ice cream, just go home and probably just sit around. So yesterday was totally a fail of a vlog. I kind of explained, but we went and met some friends for dinner and just kind of hung out, got some ice cream. So it was really fun to just hang out with them and kind of have a relaxing night. I'm about to head out to work today. I think I'm gonna get a spray tan after work. Maybe, hopefully. I've been trying to get my nails done and like looking at other places since whatever happened to my old salon, like I don't even know. but no one has like availability, so I might just have to wait till next week. So I might just get a spray tan instead. I started like the monthly membership again because they had like a discount like last week, I think. So I went ahead and started it because I figured I could use it for my graduation coming up. Yeah, I don't know if I've talked about that either. We finally get to walk for our graduation. Even though I graduated in spring of 2020, they're finally letting us have a real ceremony. So that's happening in the middle of August, and I have my birthday next week after next. So I want to be able to get a spray tan for that if I want to. So it made sense to start it for the month again. So that's my plans for tonight. I'm probably just gonna come home. I don't know if John's coming here, and we'll see if we're like doing something with our family or not. But I'm about to head on now to go to work. Dinner time. Hibachi.